Slow motion footage of a bumblebee is shown from several angles. The bee hovers in place above a flower. It has 4 wings, a semi-connected pair on each side. As the wings move up and down, the edges of the wings oscillate up and down as well. Despite being shown in slow motion, the wings still appear to move relatively quickly. Text reads, ultraslow.com. The video ends.